Friends, today I'm going to talk about virtual assistant. I think so. The idea of virtual assistant is not very common in our society, but it is the huge demand from the business owners. It is not necessary the business owner who is doing business physical or online. Virtual assistant is needed for both ones. Let's suppose virtual assistants do work on the scheduling of the businessman. Let's suppose he talks about the business activities, he talks about the business opening times, he talks about the quality of the products, he talks about the schedules of business as well as the business meetings of the businessman. And the second work he do is emails. He schedules, he works on emails, he sends emails in bulk to the public for the promotion of the different products of his businessman. Third thing is social media. He replies on social media about different things. And the last one is data tasks. He works on data about different products. He works on SKUs. He works on the different products catalogs. I think so. If you work as a virtual assistant, this is a full-time job. You can